Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to use color scaler in action by using this conditional formatting. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. You can see here this my cells is highlighted with the conditional formatting. As you can see, my one is shown as in red color and in highest number it is showing in green signal. So how can we highlight the cells according to the values? So first of all, this is my sample data, and here I will select the range, which range I have to make condition. So I will select the range and then I'll go to this home tab, and you can see here conditional formatting. Just click here and you will see here color scales. So if I just drag and point to the mouse here, you can see the changes in which conditional you are going to choose. So for now I want to choose like the value of small cells will be in red color and the highest number will be in green color. So for that I will choose this one, and you can see this is highlighted. So if I change this one into 100 and hit enter, you can see this is changed into green signal. So how this happens? And if I want to change the logic behind this, so I will select the range and go to the same home tab, conditional formatting, and I will select your manage rule, and in this rule I will go to edit rule, and in this edit rule you will see the 3 color scale. I have defined in default there is 3 color scale: red, yellow and green. So this is basic tutorial. So we will choose in the red color. In lowest I will choose dark red, and in the highest value I will choose light green, and in medium percentile midpoint I will choose yellow. Done. And if I hit OK and apply this, now you can see it is highlighted. If I here put here 50, you can see it is highlighted with yellow, and if I hit here 100 or 1, this will change into dark red. So you can change the format and the rule also. So in this way you can do. And if you want to remove this all formatting, just select the range and go to home tab, and you will see your clear formats. Just click format also, or if you want to format this conditional format and create clear rules, so this will all format the rules. And if you want to clear the rules, just go to conditional formatting and clear rules, and clear rules from entire sheet or selected sheet. So for now I will choose this clear rules from entire sheet. Now there is no any conditional formatting in this entire sheet. So this is the quick video that will help you to highlight the color according to the values. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't watched this playlist, Excel for Beginner video 1 from the beginning, you can watch it from this playlist, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.